Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 9th maths chapter 9 areas of parallelograms and triangle, we are going to include various short type questions. So students, before starting today video lesson, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay student, here we are considering the very first question. Suppose in the given figure the figure is ABCD is a parallelogram. In the given figure ABCD is a parallelogram, right? What is parallelogram? A is perpendicular on DC, A is perpendicular on DC, and CF is perpendicular on AD. If the value of AB is equal to 16 centimeter and AF is equal to 8 centimeter and CF is equal to 10 centimeter, right? Find AD. What we have to find out? The value of AD. So students, drawing the figure over here. Here, according to the question, the figure is ABCD is parallelogram. A is perpendicular on DC and CF is perpendicular on AD, right? So as we know that, what is the formula to find out the area of parallelogram? So area of parallelogram, base into height, area of parallelogram. So we want to find out area of parallelogram ABCD. So base is DC and height is AE. So what is the value of DC? The value of DC 16 and A is 8. So here we are getting 128, right? Also, area of ABCD, we have another base and height. So this time base is AD and height is FC. So AD is unknown. So these two equations are equal because these are the area of parallelogram. So equating these two result, AD is equal to 10, AD into 10 is equal to 128. So value of AD is 128 divided by 10 is equal to 12.8 centimeter. Now student, moving to the next question. Two opposite angles of a parallelogram. Two opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Means the angles are 3x minus 2 degree and 63 minus 2x degree. Find all the angles and the value of x, right? So let us see the parallelogram ABCD. Here has been the parallelogram ABCD, right? We know that in parallelogram opposite sides are always equal. So angle A is 3x minus 2 degree and angle C will be 63 minus 2x degree. These angles are always equal. So equating these angles, angle A is equal to angle C, because opposite angles of parallelogram are always equal. Opposite angles of parallelogram are always equal, right? So substituting the values of angle A and angle C, 3x minus 2 is equal to 63 minus 2x. So separating constant and variable terms, so we are getting 5x is equal to 65. So x is equal to 65 divided by 2. 5, we are getting 13. So finding the value of A is equal to 3x minus 2, because angle A is equal to angle C. So only we will find out the angle A, 3x minus 2. So 3x minus 2. Now substituting the value of x, 3 into 13 minus 2, 39 minus 2 is equal to 37. Right? So this 37 is also equal to angle C, means because measure angle A is equal to measure angle C. Similarly, we will find out angle B, which will be equal to angle D, and we know that corresponding angles of parallelogram will be 180. So angle A plus angle B is 180. So angle B is equal to 180 minus 37. So we are getting 143. Right? So angle B is equal to angle D, because D is opposite angle to angle B. Is it clear, student? Okay. Now moving to the next question. The question is, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, and X is the midpoint of AB. X is midpoint of side AB if area of AXCD, area of quadrilateral AXCD is 24 centimeter square, then area of ABC is equal to 24 centimeter square. So here we have to verify, means we will check that the given statement is true or not, right? Because here it is not directed what we have to find out. It means we have to check that area of ABC is 24 centimeter square or not. Is it clear, student? So first of all, drawing the figure, a quadrilateral ABCD, A, B, C, D, having the vertices of quadrilateral, and X is the midpoint of side AB. So here is AB, side AB, and this is the midpoint of what? Side AB. So considering this is what? X, and this will joining to C, right? Is it clear, student? So, and we know that this is a diagonal of quadrilateral and parallelogram, and we know that diagonal of parallelogram divides the quadrilateral in two equal triangle. Is it clear? So here it is been area of ABCD is what? Area of ABCD is what? Area of AXCD plus area of XBC, because ABCD is divided into these two parts, and we know that diagonal AC of a parallelogram, diagonal AC of a parallelogram divides the quadrilateral parallelogram in two equal triangle having equal area, right, student? So equal area. So area of ABCD is equal to twice of area of ABC, right? So again, student, X is a midpoint, X is midpoint. So triangle ABC will be divided into 2 because median divides the triangle. Median divides the triangle, right? Because in triangle ABC, CX is a median, right? And median of the triangle divides the triangle into 2 parts, right? Okay, so here from the result, one area of ABCD is equal to area of AXCD plus area of XBC. Now we will substituting the values in this result. Area of ABCD is equal to area of AXCD plus area of XBC. So from 1, what we are getting, area of ABCD, this is a twice of area of ABC, right? And area of AXCD is already given, this is 24, and area of XBC we got what, half of area of ABC. So twice time area of ABC and half of area of ABC, right students? So we are simplifying over here, twice of area of ABC minus half of area of ABC, right? ABC is equal to 24. So after simplifying we are getting 2 to the 4, 4 minus 1. So students, after simplifying it, we are getting area of ABC is 16 centimeter square. Okay students, so by simplifying these things we are getting area of ABC is 16 centimeter square. So students, here we are completing today video lesson. I hope you have understood. For more video lesson, keep watching your channel Ravi Sir Ji Maths.